oldest map in world history, or at least a recreation of it. And specifically, this is a world map. While there was some previous maps that were a little bit older from Mesopotamia, those weren't a full world. I guess it was a world that they understood, but this is actually showing Europe, Asia, and Libya, now called Africa. A little bit later, they then have this one. Something that's really interesting about the Greeks is just how much they were exploring, how much they were geographizing the world, figuring out what it actually looked like, and trying to do a pretty good recreation of it. Of course, once we get over to Alexander the Great, and he gets all the way over to India, we really get a good picture of the Middle East especially, but we even start to see Britain a little bit. Over time, we just get better and better maps. I was reading about Herodotus, as you do, and he was the world's first historian, and he was a famous geographer as well. He's actually called the father of history by Cicero, which is also a guy from 2,000 years ago. But what's really impressive about Herodotus is that he would go around the world, seeing all of these different people, experiencing the different cultures, creating maps, as well as histories about both his own people as well as peoples around the globe. That's really very cool. But the coolest thing about Herodotus might be those biceps. Look at those things. I really need to hit the gym more.